back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video, I decided to do a everyday glam big eye makeup look, and this was the final outcome. I did use products from Peach in this video, which they were kind enough to send me. And if you do see anything in this video that you like or are interested in, I do have a discount code. It's ARENNAA10 that you can use at checkout if you want 10% off. But if you want to get this look, keep watching. Or if you're interested in the products, keep watching. So as you can tell, I've already started with my base. I already applied some foundation, concealer, did my brows, and I also added some bronzer just for a little bit more color. But since this video is mainly focused on the eyes, I thought I would jump straight into that. So I'm going to go in with some eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Peach palette just to stay in the cute like peachy realm. But I'm going to go for a more like a natural color, so I'm going to dip into Puree with a buffer brush and use this as my base. I'm going to lightly wash this color all over my lids and slowly buff it out. I think this eye needs to be a bit more blended. So this is like a really simple look that I like to wear every single day, so I don't really dip into that many colors. But I am going to grab that same brown shade and go under my eyes as well. I feel like doing this really kind of like opens out your eyes and makes them seem bigger. It's like adding more shape to your eyes. And since I am trying to keep this like as everyday as I would, I'm just going to go in with this Holika Milky Shadow Palette. And this is like my favorite everyday. Like sometimes I wear this by itself, but I love this glitter here because it's got like a really nice gold pigment. I feel like I've actually used this in so many of my videos. I'm so sorry if you've seen this a lot of times, but I go in with my finger because I feel like these pigments work a lot better with fingers. And I literally just pop this all over my lids. So I might actually darken it a little with some caramelized from the Peach palette. So I might just take a little bit of that and slightly line my eyes a bit. Just for a little bit of color. Doing the same thing as I do with my other shadows, I'm just going to take the same glitter and add some to the bottom of my eyes. I do want to go in with a waterline color, and normally I use a crayon, but I didn't bring it with me today. It's in my room and I kind of can't be stopped going to get it. I'm just going to go in with Luscious from the Peach palette, pop that in my waterline. But it really like brightens and opens the eye, so I really do like to do it. So now for the fun part, I'm going to use one of the Peach eyeliner stamps. I actually did do a video where I tried out both of them. It is on my Instagram. I might upload it to YouTube, I don't know yet. It's really short, that's why I wasn't sure if I should, but maybe I will. But if you do want to check it out, you can head over to my Instagram. But I am going to use the Skinny Wing just because I like this one a lot. So this is for left, and I'm just going to press it. So easy, love it. So I'm also going to go in with the Peach eyeliner. They did also send me this one. It has like two sides, so it has a fine line and then an extra fine side. I'm going to just go in with a fine. I like to start from the front of my eyes. I'm kind of... You can really like customize the wings to the way you like them. I love the length of this wing, but I like my wings to be a tiny bit thicker. I'm just going to go in. I might actually use the extra fine side to just like kind of add a little bit more thickness. feel like it's a really good template to use if you're also a beginner at makeup and you're not too sure how to do a wing. Like, it's honestly so flawless. They do also have Q-tips that are dipped in oil that you can use to sharpen out your wings, and honestly it's really useful. But I actually really like how the wing looks. It's totally the style that I would like. And it's so quick and easy. It saved me so much time. So now I'm just going to go in with my right side. And it's even. Like, that's the best part. I feel like the thing that's like the bane of my existence whenever I do eyeliner is to get them even. So now I'm just going to connect them. Again, I like to start from the start of my eye. And just... I accidentally screwed that one up, so as I said before, I'm just going to go in with some of the virgin olive oil cotton swabs. So these are the cotton swabs that I was talking about, but I'm just going to quickly clean up the top of the screen because I added too many lines that I did not want. Honestly, I reckon this is way more even than I could ever get my wings, which is great. Love a good even wing. Anyways, I think I'm going to go in and add lashes. So they did send me a pair of mink lashes. I don't think I've ever tried mink lashes, to be honest. I don't really know the difference between them. So they look like this. I love how like wispy they are. They look really natural, which is great for every day. Just to add a little bit more volume to my... I'm just going to quickly curl my lashes so they blend a little easy into the falsies. Honestly, I'm really particular with my lashes because as you can tell I have monolids and not every single lash gives me double eyelids, and honestly thin lash bands don't give me double lids. So let's see how this goes. So I'm just going to pop that. I like to place it down on like one side first and then kind of push the other one down just to get it as close to my lash line as possible. Sorry if this is hard to see. And then kind of like push them a little up just so they're more perky and they sit upright. This is a really great everyday natural eye look. And even though it's a thin band, it's giving me monolids, which I kind of was surprised about. I was skeptical. I feel like one of the reasons why I never wear everyday lashes is because they don't give me the double crease that I like when I wear lashes. But this is actually working really well. And because they're thin, they feel a lot more comfortable than the lashes that I normally like to wear. Anyways, let's go in with the other eye. So yes, place it down on one side first, and then I don't think I've ever worn such natural lashes, but these are so wispy. They are so nice, and oh my god, I'm actually kind of shocked that they are giving me double lids. Now that we have our lashes on, I'm going to quickly add some mascara onto my bottom lash lines just to complete the look. I like to use in every single video the Kevyn Aucoin one. Honestly, this is drying out pretty badly on me, but it's like 40 bucks for a tube and I'm not willing to pay for another one just of yet. So I am going to apply this to my bottom lash line. I always like to put bottom mascara on because I feel like it really also helps open up my eyes, because it creates like a contrast. I always wear a really light shadow that when I wear mascara it darkens my under eyes, so it opens them up a lot more. Yay, so the eyes are done, and honestly I am so happy with the way that they look. I am like loving these lashes. I actually can't do it. Anyways, I'm gonna continue with the rest of my face, and I was gonna do this like before when I did the rest of my face, but for some reason I just don't like wearing like blush until I have my eyes on. So I'm just gonna go in with the Holika and Peko collection lip balm, and I don't even use this really for lip balm. I love it. I love the way it looks on my cheeks, so I feel like this blush really adds hydration back to my face. and it kind of gives, it's kind of like almost a highlighter because it has the shine in it. So like in real life, it's like a really, it looks like a really nice subtle highlighter, and I've been loving this. There was like one point where this was like all I used on my face, and it blends really easily because it's a balm, so it's like thin to begin with, and you kind of just like slowly build it. Okay, I think that's enough blush. I might add a little bit to my lips for some color and some moisture as well. But I want to do a bit of a glossy lip, so I'm going to go in with this Cherry Moisture Lip Gloss from Etude House. This tastes like lollies, so I like it. But it's just like a really subtle pink. Okay, not that subtle actually. So that is the completed look. So that is the end of this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I honestly really love how it turns out. And if you do want to try any of the products that I did use in this video or anything else from Peach, I do have a discount code. It is my Instagram name, ARENNAA10 for 10% off your order. And I don't get anything from it, so it's purely for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!